Peppy's back this week. We're going to continue on with the right rear quarter panel, and we're going to repair that inner panel that we started last week, and just watch me work. Okay, as you can see, I have a mess here. The beads turned out good. I got the panel shaped the way it needed to be shaped, but as I'm trying to weld in these pieces, and of course I tried on this one, and all I did was burn holes in it. I don't have my TIG welder set up. I don't have anything available, and that metal's super thin, so it just needed to be replaced. I'm throwing in the towel on it. AMD shows they have these in stock, and next Monday morning I'm going to be up there and pick these up, and hopefully I'll get back in time and we can try to install them on Monday. That's my day off, and we'll get back to you next week.